Spartan blades, Bill Harsey folder with titanium anodized ladies of freedom handles and Chad Nichols hand forged Damascus blade. Overall characteristics and specifications of this knife: we've got an overall open length of 9 inches, 22.8 centimeters. Blade length is 3.95 inch, 10 centimeters. Blade thickness we have at 0.15, 4 millimeters. Closed length, the knife is 5 inches, 12.7 centimeters, and overall open position we have it at 9 inches, 22.8 centimeters. The mechanism, the knife runs on quite thick brass, high quality brass washers. Overall weight of this knife is 5.8 ounces, 164.5 grams. We have a frame locking mechanism. The knife is an absolute gorgeous piece to look at. Spartan blades uses high quality brass washers to avoid potential wobble or blade play years down the road. This knife was built and designed for hard use. The minute you hold it, the minute you open, you feel the quality. This is an overbuilt, made in USA knife. Absolutely fantastic knife. Feels quite awesome in hand. This knife was built and designed for use and hard use. I mean, every single design piece, even though this is aesthetically very pleasing and beautiful knife, the overall quality of design and practicality knife is very practical. Great ear goes and sits very well in hand, and that's the major first thing you need in knife. The overall balance between the art piece of it and the overall build quality of the knife, it's an absolute beauty. And we have here Chad Nichols hand forged stainless steel Damascus made from powdered CPM S35 VN. And just check this beauty. If you look at this knife, what it reminds me is the early 2000s design of Bill Harsey, Lone Wolf Knives collaboration, the T3 Ranger. If you remember, there were the T2, T3, and T1 series based on the blade length. The T3 is close to 4.8 inches of blade. And just look at the Bill Harsey's design 15 years ago and Bill Harsey's design, well, 15 years later. You see a lot of similarities. Both are well built, made in USA tools, and both are designed by Bill Harsey. He keeps his blade steel shape very basic, and he keeps it universal across his collaborations with other brands. So Harsey did collaborate after the Benchmade killed Lone Wolf Knives in 2011, I believe. Harsey did collaborate with few other brands. However, his collaboration with Spartan blades, I think this is a fantastic piece. This is an absolutely gorgeous, fantastic collaboration, and what a comeback, if I may call, for Bill Harsey. Made in USA, designed by Bill Harsey, A+, perfect knife.